Wait lang. Tapos na pala tayo. Chapter 12. Chapter 8. Selecting entry. Alright, sige. Can we start now? Alright. Kanina, your assignment is, no? What do you mean of this difference of 26,500? Anyone? Sige nga. So, okay. Sige. Sir, how was the game? Wow, talo, no? Alright. Talo ang Lakers. Okay. Income that is added to the revenue. Very good, Jeff, no? The 26,500 is basically what? This is your net income. Very good, Jeff, no? So in terms of the worksheet, so very important is you know that the difference between the two is your net income. All right. In terms of the income statement, no, what if, okay? So in terms of the income statement, okay, take note of this, in terms of the income statement, if the credit, no, is more than your debit, so you have here, net income, correct? All right, why? Why is it that in terms of income statement, if your credits balance, na, di ba ito yan? If you have credit balance is more than your debit, you have your net income. And if your credit naman is less than, okay, is less than your debit, no, you have a net loss. All right. What do you mean of this? Bakit ganito? Why is it that if the credit balance is more than your credit, you have a net income? What do you think is the reason? Okay? Anyone? Or why is it that if the credit balance naman is less than the debit, you have a net loss? All right. Uh, in this example, in the income statement, what is the credit balance here? The credit balance here is your revenue, correct? If your revenue is more than, now if your revenue is more than your debit, so meaning you have a net income, di ba? Because 55 less 28.5, you have 26.5, you have your net income. How about if you have more debit side, which is more expenses than your revenue, you have your net loss. Correct. So yun uh, that's the main point, no, about that, no. How about in terms of the balance sheet, diba? How about in terms of the balance sheet? All right. How about in terms of the balance sheet? What if, no? If your debit, okay? if your debit side is more than, okay, is more than your credit side, you have a net income. Okay? Sige, para baliktad na lang. Ito na lang ha. If your credit, okay, para same no, with the income statement. If your credit is more than your debit, okay, you have naman net loss. Alright? If your credit balance is more than, sorry, is less than, okay, your debit, okay, you have a net income. So in terms of the balance sheet, it is otherwise, or it is, yes, otherwise in terms of your income statement. All right. Sa tingin niyo, why is it that in terms of balance sheet, what if your credit is more than your debit? Bakit net loss? Bakit naman if your credit is less than your debit, you have a net loss or net income, sorry. All right. What do you think is the reason for this? Okay? Especially, ito muna tayo, especially in terms of the net income. Why is it that the credit is less than your debit, you have a net income? Why? I think I discussed that during the first slide, no, which is all your revenue, all your expenses, and drawings are all close to your or to be transferred to your owner's equity, correct? What is the reason for this? Anyone? Don. Don't worry, any guess lang naman. Okay? In terms of the balance sheet, why is it that if the credit is less than the debit, meaning debit is more than your credit, you have a net income? Why?
It's based on the asset side as compared to the income.
All right, so you have more than assets in terms of the income. Okay, pwede. All right, what else? Bell.
Sir, because
Mm-mm.
equity is greater, if that's the case.
No, no, no. The owner's equity is less than, correct?
Oh.
Or the liability or the credit is less than your asset. That's why you have a net income. So for sure, your equity is less than, correct? Uh, any guess? Okay, thank you, Bell. Uh, Ryan, what do you think is the reason? Because I think that the answer for that is based on transferring all to the owner's equity. Sige nga.
Um,
Okay.
I'm not actually sure, sir, but
All right,
I
all right,
think
sure, sure.
maybe it's because
Mm-mm.
there's more money being earned than lost.
You all have more current.
There are more current assets than current
Mm-mm.
liabilities.
All right, so you have network, no? But no, yes, pwede din, pero ano pa, sige, sige, anyone.
Sorry, what's the question again?
Again, the question is, how come that your credit balance, no, in this balance sheet is less than your debit, you have a net income. Okay? Why is it that the credit balance, no, if less than to the debit, you have a net income? Uh, that's the question. Okay?
Sir, is it because credit is what is due to your creditors, and the less you have of that compared to your debit,
Yes.
the more the
Mm-mm.
higher your income will be to owner's equity?
Why? Your last sentence, ano yan? The net income is?
Will come to your owner's equity.
Very good. That's the correct answer. Di ba? As you notice, the net income are all to be transferred to your owner's equity. That's the reason why, for sure, your debit, which is your asset, di ba? Your debit here is all assets, no? Is more than your liabilities and owner's equity, particularly the owner's equity. Why? because the 26.5 is to be transferred to your owner's equity. That's the main reason that in terms of the worksheet, dapat ito ay parehas. No? If not, there's something wrong in this example or in this journal entry that you journalize. All right. Very good, Ryan. Again, the reason why the debit is more than the credit in the balance sheet that you have a net income because you transferred the net income or your revenue and expenses to the owner's equity. That's why when you compute for that, it is now balanced. Correct? Okay. Again, in terms of the income statement, how come if the credit naman is more than your debit, you have a net income? Because your credit side is your revenue, meaning revenue is more than of your expense. That's why you have a net income. All right, very good, Ryan. All right. Sige. After this, so we are done in terms of the worksheet. By the way, any question pala? Clarissa, question? Wala.
None, sir.
All right. So far none ha. No question. So clear. So no worries. I will give you later. I will upload in your Canvas what do you call that? Example or practice set, no? Okay. All right. Question.
Sir, could you upload this again on
Mm-mm.
Canvas?
Yes. I will upload this in terms of the Canvas. Danny Green patalo talaga, no? Danny Green sa kasi sino isa? Morris, no? Turnover. Anyway, because it means equity is greater. No, Bell. Equity is lower, no? Because you will transfer that no, to your equity. Okay? Jasper, credit outflows here. So meaning, mas maraming kang money na nakalabas. Yes, pwede rin. Pero the main reason for that is you transfer your net income to your owner's equity. That's why the debit is more than your credit. Okay? Oh my sir, oo nga eh. Libreng-libre si Lebron doon sa gilid, di ba? Hindi pinasa ni Morris, no? Anyway, ganun talaga. Okay? Ganun talaga ang basketball, no? Bilog ang bola. Alright. Anyway, lamang pa naman yung Lakers, no? Wag lang parang yung Cleveland saka ano yan, 'di ba? Golden State, no? 3-1 'yun, 'di ba? Lamang na yung Golden State, nanalo pa Cleveland. Alright. Anyway, ganun talaga ang bola, 'di ba? Hindi natin, pero nice game. Okay? Alright. So after this, you have now your worksheet, no? So the last thing to do is all about to prepare your FS, particularly number one, statement of profit or loss or income statement, followed by statement of financial position or your balance sheet, and the last is your statement of balance sheet pala. Sorry. First thing is income statement, followed by equity, then the last is the balance sheet. The cash flow is to be discussed further na, okay? So hindi siya related. So in terms of that, okay? All right. So in terms of the income statement, so very important is you follow or you prepare the income statement or the balance sheet. All right. So first thing is you prepare your income statement. Wait ha. Okay lang 5 minutes lang ha. May naghahanap lang. Alright, sorry. May ano kasi, may Lazada, ano. Anyway. Okay. Hi. Yan pa kayo? Hello?
Yes, sir. Dito po.
Alright, alright. Next thing, no, since you are done with analyzing or computing for the net income and the net loss, next thing to do is, no, you do income statement, okay? Or what you call statement of profit or loss, okay? So what would be the first thing in terms of preparing your income statement? Okay, number one is you do revenue. Okay, so you have here revenue. So what's the revenue here? Okay, so revenue here is how much? You have 55,000. So you put here 55,000. And so you put here 55,000. All right, less all your expenses. All right, what are the expenses? Dito ko na lang ito ilagay. Yan. What are the expenses? Wait. All right. What are the expenses? So, meaning you have your salary expense. I'll just copy it na lang, no? So, you can copy salary expense. How much? This is 18,000. And you have here 2,000. All right. What else? You have also depreciation expense. Okay. Depreciation expense of 1,500. What else? You have also insurance expense and cleaning supplies expense. So just copy it here. All right. So insurance expense. So how much? Ito yan. Sorry. So how much is your net income? So dapat your net income parehas dun sa kanina, ha? All right. And you have here net income. All right. How much is the net income? Your net income, ito muna. Okay. Sum. So this is 28,500. So how much is the net income? 55,000 minus 28,500. Same ba? Yes. So you have 26,500 as your net income. Same ba as this? Yes. So you have here 26,500. All right. Di ba? Tama. Okay. So tama yung computation mo in terms of computing, okay, for the net income. All right. After that is you will compute for your statement of owner's equity or statement of changes in equity. So here, copy it here again. So statement of changes in equity. Statement, sorry. All right. So in terms of the changes in equity, ano yung una? So you will compute first for the beginning. Okay? Beginning balance. All right. Beginning balance. Sino nga to? ERAP, no? ERAP capital. All right. So how much would be the ERAP capital beginning balance? take note of this, ha? You will do this in your first long term, okay? 0, okay. Wala ba? I think meron. I think meron tayong beginning balance. Ito yun, di ba? 80,000. Okay? So, ito yung beginning natin. So, you have 80,000. Alright. No worries, Bell. Alright. So, you have 80,000 is your beginning. Alright. What else? You add your revenue. Or simply, you add your net income. Sige, I will add na lang. I will add revenue here. How much would be your revenue? Diba? Ito yung revenue natin, 55,000. Okay, sige. What I will do na lang is, you will add entirely the net income para at least automatic, no? You have your net income. Alright? So, you add net income. So, malamang, this 26.5 is to be added. Okay? Yan. Or what you will do is you can add revenue and then minus expenses. Alright. So, total. Alright. So your total here is 80 plus 26,500. All right. All right. And then less your expenses. All right. Sorry, not expenses kasi it is now part of your net income. Less all your capital ERAP drawing. All right. ERAP drawing. How much is the ERAP drawing? Dito yan, ha? ERAP drawing. Ito, di ba 6,000? Alright, so less 6,000. Okay. So how much now would be your ending? Nantok na ako, ah. Beginning balance. ERAP. Capital. Alright, so tama ba? 105? So 100, very good. So you have 105. Alright, very good. So your ending balance of ERAP drawing is now 105. Alright. Next is you're done with income statement, done with the adjusted net equity. Next is all about statement of financial position, or what you call the balance sheet. Okay? So baba na lang. Okay? So this is statement of financial position. October 30. Sorry, hindi siya October, ha? It should be December. Okay? So this should be as of December. Okay? As of December 31. Ito naman ay as of December 31. For the month and October, December. All right. Sige. Statement of financial position or your balance sheet. So ano yung una? Of course, you have your asset, correct? So in terms of asset, no, just copy it here. Okay, so you have your cash, account receivable, prepaid, delivery, bond. So yan. What else? Of course, the amount. Diba? All right. What else? Sorry. So what else? Of course, in terms of delivery van, 'di ba? Meron tayong tinatawag na accumulated depreciation. So yan na yung magiging balance mo ng delivery van. All right? Wait. So hiwalay ko na lang 'to. All right. Then delivery van, how much would be the accumulated depreciation? 'Di ba? Ba ito 'yan? Yan. So you have here accumulated depreciation delivery van. Para makuha natin yung book value, correct? So how much would be, ito yun, di ba, 1.5? So you have here 1,500. So negative, no? Kasi this is accumulated depreciation. So how much now would be your delivery van? 1.5 ba? Yes. So how much now would be the balance of delivery van? So the book value is very good. 58,500. All right. So 60. Hanggang ang computer ko. So you have 58,500. Meron pa ba ang asset? Tingnan natin, ha? If there's an asset. Okay? So, accumulated. Oh, wala na. Meron pa tayong payable. I think later na yan. Alright. So, how much now would be, so this both would be accumulated depreciation. So, how much now would be your total assets? Just add, no? Dapat parehas tayo later, ha? So, you have 130,500. Alright. Tignan natin kung parehas. Yan. Alright. Next is all about your liabilities and owner's equity. Alright. So, first thing is your liabilities. What are the liabilities pala? Okay? So, dyan mo na, no? Liabilities is you have accounts payable lang ba? Yes, accounts payable. Magkano yun? Accounts payable by 24,000. Yan. What else? You have also your, di ba ito? Payable, wala na. Ito, salaries payable. How much? 6,000 ba? Yan. Meron pa ba? Tik wala na, no? So, how much would be your liability? So, total liability. Total liability. May message. 30K. Okay, very good. All right, so you have 30,000. All right, next is your total liabilities. Next naman is your owner's equity, diba? You have your owner's equity. So in terms of owner's equity, take note of this, no? Ano bang ilalagay mo in terms of owner's equity? 80,000 or yung 105? 100,500. Anyone? Of course, your balance now here. Hindi na 80,000 kasi yung ibang estudyante, no, ginagawa nila is they will also use this 80,000. They forgot that they prepare already the statement of changes in equity. That's why in this owner's equity, ilalagay mo dito yung 100,500. So you put here 100,500. So take note of that. So meaning how much now would be your total liabilities and owner's equity. All right, so just add. Okay, pabalanse ba? I think balanse, no? 30,000 plus 100,500. Balanse ba? Yes, I think balanse. So pag ito sa long exam nyo, okay, pag nakuha nyo na to, no, parang ay salamat, tapos na. All right. Any questions so far? Madali lang ba ang preparations of the worksheet? And then the journal entries, the ledger, then we adjust it, then we do trial balance, then we do the worksheet, especially in terms of the post-closing trial balance. Okay, and also we also compute for the income statement. We prepare the statement of owner's equity, and the last is the statement of financial position or the balance sheet. So far, so in your first long term or long exam, long quiz, is basically you will do this everything on this now. So what you will do is journal entry. Take note that you should have explanation, no? Then afterwards is you will do this posting, okay? All right. Followed by preparation of the worksheet again, okay? So far, any question? Malinaw ba? Jasper, question?
None.
None. No worries. I will give you practice, maybe 2 problems. Or sorry, maybe 1 problem. Then if makahanap ako ng isa, pero 2 problems, then I will give you the answer. Okay? Basta please do your part. No? Sir, will the long test by group? No. Individual. Okay? Okay lang naman since it is online, no? Sige, you can discuss naman with your classmates, no? Kasi online naman. Pero for me, hopefully you do not copy the answer of your classmate, no? For me, kasi kahit papaano, I want you to learn more about accounting, di ba? Okay. Again, kahit hindi siya group, since it is online, no, you can ask, okay, to your classmates. But for me, the most important is you learn from it. Kasi malay nyo, di ba? Sooner or later, no, you will use this bookkeeping or you will use this the accounting cycle soon, di ba? Okay. Yes, thank you, Jasper. Any questions so far?
Sir,
Maybe
oh,
when
when
will be your available ba kayo ng Friday? Or sorry, maybe I will contact na lang Nicole, no, to have pool, no, in terms of your exam, no. Okay. My proposal is I will give you 2 days for it, and then you can answer that anytime. Okay? Kasi pag 1 week kasi parang napakahaba naman nun, no? Okay. And it is online and via Canvas. No? Just look into your Canvas later or tomorrow. Until tomorrow, no? Kasi medyo busy lang ako today. And then, yun. What you will do first is to do practice, no? Practice set para at least you know how to do it. And then afterwards, I will give you the answer. Then your exam, okay? No time limit po. Yes, no time limit. No worries. Para at least, yes, I will upload this recording later also. Dalawa na, two video recording will be uploaded later. Sorry, until tomorrow pasensya na, medyo busy lang ako today. Okay. So far, any question? I think some of you have exam, so I will not use this time to make you yeah, thank you. Yes, Jermaine, thank you. All right. Hopefully you learned, no. That's the most important to me. Di naman ako nagmamadali. So if you have question, all right. Thank you, Clarissa. Love your pics. Take it on. All right. Okay. Kasi yung iba hindi available today because ano daw, may organization, something. May ano pala, no, sa October 17, pero gabi naman, parang, ano yan, Teacher's Day? Okay. Alam niyo yan, Teacher's Day. Bawi Lakers, babawi yan. Lamang pa naman eh. Okay. Sayang. At least talagang, dapat si Lebron. Kaya lang, hindi mo kasi masabi. October 12? Ano yung October 12? Para kay Bronny Jr. Yes. Sayang yan. At least naghabol sila, no? Hindi, malakas talaga si Jimmy Butler, no? Bakit Ian? Birthday niya ba? Birthday ni Bronny sa October 12. Baka birthday na. Oo nga pala. May ginawa nga. Alright, so if none, thank you for the time. Hopefully you learned. Please message me anytime. And then, if you have question naman, okay? Anytime, I answer you, no? Okay. Alright, so if none, I will not use this time anymore. You can study since you have your, tama ba? You have your midterm later? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Alright,
Iba po.
alas 5. Ba't alas 5? Ay, alas 3 pala, alas 3. Alright, so if none, thank you. Thank you for today, and hopefully you
Thank you,
learned
sir.
again. Alright, thank you very much. Bye-bye. Alright.